Mushrooms are used in many different ways in our everyday lives. They can be eaten raw or cooked, dried or frozen, canned or preserved, and used as ingredients for various recipes. Mushrooms are also used to make medicines, inks, dyes, paints, and other products. The list goes on and on. But did you know that mushrooms have so much more than just culinary uses? Did you know that they can help you to increase your energy levels, improve your immune system, and even fight cancer? You probably didn't know this because you were never taught about the amazing properties of mushrooms in school. But there's a reason for that. Mushrooms are not considered food by most people. This is mainly due to the fact that mushrooms do not contain any protein, carbohydrates, or fat. That means that they cannot be digested by humans and therefore do not provide any nutrients to the body. But what many people don't know is that mushrooms are actually considered to be very healthy foods. They contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals that can help to strengthen the immune system and prevent many diseases. In fact, mushrooms are so nutritious that they can even be used to treat certain types of cancer. Mushrooms have been used as medicine since ancient times. In fact, they were one of the first medicines known to man. For example, the Chinese have used them to treat fever, diarrhea, dysentery, and many other ailments. In Japan, they were used to treat snake bites and skin infections. And in Europe, they were used to treat tuberculosis. The medicinal uses of mushrooms have continued to grow over the years. Today, there are many different types of mushroom supplements that can be purchased at health food stores and online. These supplements are usually made from whole dried mushrooms. But if you want to get the most out of your supplement, you should consider making your own. This is a very simple process that can be done in a short amount of time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.